finally nice out, and we're gonna redo this bed here, just beginning of spring. We got these two Radiance evergreens in the back here, and we don't really like the way they turned out, so pretty much gonna be working in this area today. We'll transplant these guys. I just went and got this boulder. I thought that was a nice touch, and my arms are all straightened up now, so hopefully I'm not having to move that guy around too much. And then I think we're going to take out the Nandina, the red little plants here. We've got, let's see, 5 of those guys. We'll probably be moving those as well. And the butterfly plant here, we stuck him in the ground quickly last season, but he's probably going to be moving as well. We'll clean up all this mulch and put in some new stuff. So not really sure what we're going to get yet, but we are going to go with black mulch again. Probably get some more evergreen shrubs or something here in the back, and just not quite sure what we're going to do up front here, but we're going to see what's on sale, and we're going to see if we can get this looking a lot better today. So stay tuned and wait for the end result. In the back here, we put 3 boxwoods. Wintergem boxwoods is what they're called. We're trying to create like a hedge there in the background, so once they get growing and get rooted, I'll keep them nice and trimmed and clean. Kind of in the middle row here, we did 2 big, or not so big boulders, but they nearly killed me getting out of the truck, so those were very heavy. And these blue ones, I have no clue actually what those are, but they look nice. And to the left of the boulder here, we do have a butterfly plant, and to the front here we've got a Japanese holly sky pencil. We did black mulch. It's just our favorite. I think the contrast with it looks good. A lot of people mulch wrong. They put down way too thick. If you go over the 2 or 3 inch layer, it'll start getting moldy and nasty, so just don't put too much down. Keep it pretty thin.